Hello, and I'm so happy that you decided to jump in on this webinar to learn more about the Website by Design online course. This is for coaches, healers, speakers, and even authors who want an affordable do-it-yourself step-by-step guide, to easily create a unique WordPress website while having fun doing it. This online course will save you hours of frustration and stress trying to figure it out alone, and tons of money on a web designer that might go MIA or is too slow. Who am I? I'm Amy Shade. I am a women's life coach who, I got my certification in 2018. I had this passion to help others. I wanted to start my business as an entrepreneur, and I was stuck in my house going, how am I going to sell my products and my coaching to if I don't even have an audience? So, what I did was I enrolled in a program to teach me how to build an audience through live events. And, it's interesting because when I was in that group of coaches who all had missions and passions, just like you, I'm sure, um, they were really frustrated by the tech part. They were overwhelmed. They didn't have the extra money to invest in a web designer or even a VA. And so they were kind of stuck trying to figure it out themselves, which created more stress on on an already stressful situation of being in a program. Um, and for me, I didn't have that issue because I had already spent many hours on YouTube figuring out how to build websites using WordPress and Elementor. I mean, I spent hours of watching YouTube channels. I spent hours of like just being frustrated and learning just the basic aspects of how to build a website for my businesses. And at that point at 2018, I already had 7 years underneath my belt of working with WordPress and Elementor. So that was gave me a real nice leg up on creating the audience that I have today. Because building my websites and brand awareness to establish credibility was easy for me. Creating landing pages for my sales pages, workshops, summits, and live events, that's not hard to do. And you're going to learn this throughout this course. Designing an Instagram page for my links in my bio, I mean, to my events and my downloadables, it was easy. And creating opt-in forms to grow my list of ideal clients um, was no problem for me. And so what happened was I ended up creating and today I do a live event. I about 30 events since 2018. Um, and that has taught me how to have a list, create a community, and I want to do the same for you. I want to save you hours of frustration and precious time. And during this course, if you decide to jump in, I'll teach you how to easily create a WordPress website without an expensive web designer. So this is for you. This course is for you if you feel stuck in your business because you don't have a website. Maybe you're unconfident in your abilities to learn how to create a website, and you're ready to put your business online, but an expensive web designer is out of your budget, and you don't want to constantly pay someone over and over to make changes to your website. Also, I would add that you want to build an audience. You want to be able to build out sales pages. You want to be able to have a Calendly link on your website. And you want to have this freedom to build these landing pages, build your brand, and attract your ideal clients with your messaging. You want to save hours of stress and frustration. I don't know if you've tried to do it alone yet, but it gets overwhelming at times. And this course will definitely alleviate you of that frustration. So today, during our time together in this, webinar, you're going to learn why choose WordPress and Elementor, why I love it so much. You're going to learn the basic structure of having a website, just in case you don't know. You're going to learn what coaches and speakers need to have on their website. You're going to have a demonstration. I'm going to demonstrate live demonstration on how to easily create a sales page. And I'm going to speak into about the Website by Design online course and give you an amazing offer. So our website's still relevant. This is going back and forth, between social and websites. And I would say yes, because a website really creates trust and authority, and it's a home for your brand. You can put your brand colors in there, your fonts that you like. You can, and it really builds trust. I mean, I don't know about you, but if you ever Google someone and you want to hire them for a service, the first thing you do is you find their website and you read what they're about. So it really creates trust. And if you want to build an audience and you want to invite speakers on your platform or speak on other people's platform, it's important that you do have a website so that your authority is on the page. There's trust on the page. And also, they can see if you're aligned with their vision, and you can see if they're aligned with their vision. Number two, you have complete control and creative freedom over your content. I don't know about you, but or you've probably heard of many people losing getting their account flagged on these social platforms. And so they're unable to get their message out and reach their ideal clients. And this is especially true for sex coaches. Your content is heavily monitored and flagged. The third thing is that you can gather analytics, which gives you a more precise marketing strategy for your business as it grows. And the fourth thing is that you can create an online store, where those are really taking off. You can create memberships. You can create affiliate programs. There's tons of things you can do on a website to grow your business. And it's all in the statistics. As you can see, WordPress is the most used platform. And there's a reason for that. First and foremost, there's lots of free themes to choose from. It's super easy to customize to help grow your business. As I said, I started off with just a regular website, and I've added memberships to that website. I've added affiliate programs to that website. You could add a podcast. It's really you can add an online store later on. This is not what the course is about, but you could do that. Managing your website is effortless. I know a lot of designers, a lot of people who keep up with your website, they charge you $80 to $120 a month to manage your website, but it's really effortless with WordPress. And there's more reasons. WordPress is very compatible with all types of media, and no code is required. Every once in a while, you might have to copy and paste some code in, but it's super easy. And the SEO is super friendly. You could just put in a plugin and easily put your keywords in your description and add photos for your social platforms. So that's WordPress. And today we'll also be talking about Elementor. I use Elementor. This is the free version, which you get all of these widgets. You get a button, video, text editor, image, testimonials. There's all types of different widgets you get in the free version. You get more in the pro version, which you can buy. I think it's $49 a year or something like that. But the basic one is will get you far, okay? And it's free. So I want to talk about the basics of creating a website, because some of us don't even have this in our radar. So I want to go ahead and touch on that. So there's 3 levels in this course and in general. So first level is your hosting. Your hosting is the place where your web address is held. So there's HostGator, there's Bluehost, there's GoDaddy, and these systems, these companies, they really make it super easy for you to purchase plans. And so you can get a 3-year plan, or you can get a 1-year plan. And oftentimes they start new plans off between like $2.75 a month up to probably $6 or $7 a month. So they're affordable to buy a hosting package. Buying a hosting package is really affordable with these companies. Your web address, usually you want to have everything stored in one place. You don't have to, but your web address is your domain name. And so if I was to go to HostGator and I want to I have an idea for a domain name, I could easily just search on their website to see if that domain is available or not. If it is available, then that'll cost you between probably $12 or $14 a year for that domain address. And then then the SSL certificate is a certificate that validates your site. Now, we used to have to pay for SSL certificates. Now, all of the companies, HostGator, Bluehost, GoDaddy, when you buy their hosting package, usually the SSL certificate is free. It comes along with it. If it doesn't come along with it, I would choose a different hosting company. The SSL certificate is, as I say, I don't know if you ever gone to a website and they're like, warning, we don't know if this is a valid domain. I would not enter it. That means that their SSL certificate is not in use. So it's important that you have your SSL certificate so that people visiting your site do not get those warnings. Okay. So basically, you have your HostGator, let's say your web address domain name is hosted in that, right? You pay for that, something like $14 a year. And then your SSL certificate is in there. Once you're in that hosting site on that dashboard, you can activate WordPress. So the WordPress you find within that hosting company. And the WordPress themes, so you install the WordPress up into their hosting, which with the Website by Design online course, I help you do all this. And then once you're in there and it's installed, then you get to choose from different themes. And there's many free themes that you can use for WordPress. Within the Website by Design, we use the Astra theme, which is a free theme. It's light, it's easy, and you can customize it easily. And there's also paid themes if you want to go that route. But the free themes are great. Now, so we have our hosting, then you have the WordPress that's inside the hosting, and then you have the Elementor page builder. So the Elementor page builder comes in free and pro version. Then is a plugin that you use with the WordPress thing. So you've got 3 levels. Take a breath. So the Elementor is something that it's a page builder within the WordPress theme. So you basically go in and you do all of your editing within the Elementor page builder. Okay. Now they have made these page builders super easy. They're very user friendly if you know how to use them. If you don't know how to use them, it can be very frustrating. But if you do know how to use the Elementor page builder, it is quite simple to create a page. Okay. And with the Elementor page builder, you can save templates, you reuse templates. It's a really easy, user-friendly, easy platform to use. That's why I've been using it for so many years, is because I can just go in there and drag and drop those widgets you saw before and just customize them. And within the online course, the Website by Design online course, you'll learn exactly how to do that. So this is a typical website for coaches, healers, speakers, coaches and healers. So there's photos of you, not stock images. Your specialty is stated clearly and simply in your tagline. There's a clear and inspirational message about what results you are creating. There's a scheduling button with the CTA. There's tell your own story, right? We tell our own story with authority and empathy, and an offering structure that makes it clear what people need. Now, So you basically need photos, you need buttons, you need headings, and you need text. And that's everything that comes within this course is to teach you how to do that. It's all in the Elementor. Um, so, and if you're doing a speaker page, you create a new page, a speaking page, and you add it to the navigation menu, which also you learn in the Website by Design course, how to add things to your pages to your navigation menu. And at the top of the speaker page, you introduce yourself as a speaker with a large photo of you. It's great. You embed a few of your best recordings for easy viewing, which is easy to do to embed YouTube videos. You highlight some of your best known events where you've spoken. You have a couple of thematic talks that you offer, and you can pull out titles and descriptions and make them stand out. So you can easily make headings bigger and then smaller text within Elementor. The testimonials are important because there's nothing that says hire this person like social proof and a booking link. As I said, within the course, this is all inside the course. The videos, the buttons, the booking link to your calendar, the navigation menu, it's all covered within this course so that you can easily create a speaker page for your website. What the Website by Design course is not, it's not an e-commerce site where you're putting WooCommerce in, and we do not cover that aspect during this course. It is not about creating a membership site. It doesn't tell you how to do that. I do have membership sites, but this is not about that. This is about creating your sales pages, your homepage, your events that you want to hold. And it's not how to put a podcast on your site either. So this is what the Website by Design course is not. So next I'm going to go into a live demo to show you just how easy it is. I'm going to pause the video, so stay with me. All right, we're back. So this is my sales page for my membership. And as you can see, it's got video in it. It's got a button, has your icon list, has about me, our mission. And within the course, you actually get this template. So in the course, you do get templates, and this is one of the templates you get that you can easily adjust. And so it teaches you how to do all these swirls and these what your membership includes or what your course includes. All of this, these boxes are all in there. And how to do this whole page is what you get as a template, and instructions on how to adjust everything. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick demonstration on, let's see, on creating this header here. And this section here. So, all right, so I'm going to bring you into the Elementor. So as you can see, this is the, here we go, the icon list. So these are all the basics you get for free. This is the pro version. And these are also you get for free, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and recreate this section here. So with Elementor, and you'll learn all of this when you, just do it here, when you do the online course. So you basically add, you put that plus button, you add that. And with this, we're going to use the intersection. The intersection is really easy to use. And as you can see, this intersection is up here. So I have two here, 2 blocks. So we're going to do that. We're going to add another intersection here. Now this intersection here just has 1 block, right? So I'm going to delete this block here. Okay. So now there's 1. I look at this intersection here for the video. As you can see for the video, it has 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a column. Okay. The next one is here, has only 1 block. So I'm going to come here, add another intersection. And I'm going to delete this block. And then you have another intersection with just 1 block. So I'm going to do that again. And delete this here. So you will learn all of this within the course. So if I look at this, there's 2 widgets. Now these are your widgets. So I'm going to put your a heading here and there. And another heading over here. Okay. And if I look here, this is a text. A text is different than a heading. So I'm going to take this here and put the text editor in. Okay. So what I did was I have my, so I'm just, now when you work with this, you can just copy and paste your text. So if I come here in this box, I just copy and paste it. So there's my radical embodiment, right? And I can center that. And then this one here is my membership. So basically, as I say, it's all copy and paste if you have it all written out, or you can type it in either way. And I'm going to center that one. And then this is where I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to center that out. Great. So right now I have this here and already member there. The next one is this 1 block. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this in here. And that will be a heading, I believe. And I'll center that one. Okay. And then here is going to be a video. That right there. And you can see here it has YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, self-hosted. So this is a YouTube video. That I'll put in there. It's a little bit different than the other one because I like it actually a little bit better. And then from here, you can adjust this to a different size. And then from here is another heading. And I'm going to put this in here. I'll center that. And then from here, we have, in this one, we have a button. So you can take your button right here. and put that right in there and center that. Now, so this is how this is all set up. If I come back behind here, you have a background and background overlay. So I'll do background. And I'm going to put in this image. So these are all my images that you can store on your site for your pages. Okay. And then from here, no repeats. It's on there. And position, I'm going to do custom. Now your custom, that means you could bring this up here. And size, you can change the size. So I think that's the one I used. And you take your Y position and bring it down. All right, then from here, I'm going to put this background overlay. I'm going to put this a color. Okay, and then I'm going to put the opacity up. I think it's right about there. Okay, so now what do we have here? We have this text. And as you can see, it's not the right color or the style. So I'm going to go ahead, put text color. And for this, I like Oswald. I'm going to make it bigger. Now, once you have this set, you can just copy it and paste the style. Okay. And then I'm going to take this and make it a little smaller. And then I'm going to take this here, paste the style. I think this is woman. And this is assistant. And I'm going to copy this and then paste this style. So once you start to understand, and this is all, you're like, oh, this might be too hard, but it's once you go through the course, I slowly guide you through all of this, right? This is a demonstration to show you just how easy it can be. And you can take this line height also, make it smaller, right? And I would bring this down a little bit. Right. And then from here, we can put join today. And then you go to style and you put your link there to the new page to join for to have them pay. And you come here. I have this color here. All right, so this is coming together. quite nicely. As I say, within the course, you learn how to easily make these changes. And there we go. You can change the sizes here of the button, position, all of that becomes pretty easy. And that's how you can do that header there, which would be like right there. So the next thing I wanted to show you, which is also pretty easy, is everybody loves to have these this icon list on their website, because it's just everyone does it. So we need to learn how to do it. So from here, I'm going to show you how to do this. You just push the plus button. Now within, I'm going to put use this instead, and I'm going to change this to full width. And then I'm going to put an intersection in here. Okay. And then what'll happen is I'll probably move that over there. And then I'll take my icon list, which comes with the free version. I'm going to put that there. Okay. I'll get rid of these. So from here, I like the gem. So you can, when you get this, you get an icon library. So this comes with the Elementor. And of course, if you get the Pro, you get more, right? But this comes with Elementor. Here's my gem. I think I wanted the solid one, actually. Yeah, this one. Great. Okay. So from here, so there's a gem, and you have item list 1. So from here, you can just, which I did. You just take your text and you copy and paste it in there. Okay. And from here, you then copy that one so that the icon is the same. And you copy and paste this in here, the new thing. Oops. Great. And then you duplicate that. And the reason why I'm duplicating again is just so that otherwise you'll get a different icon for each one, which is, it gets annoying. Just copy and paste that. So again, because we've come so far with page builders, they just want to make it so easy for you to really create your own website, so that it's basically like duplicating, copying, and pasting at this point, once you know what all of the buttons are for. Okay. All right, so here's our list, which are these right here. And so the difference is a couple of things, of course, is the style. So first, I'm going to go behind here. And I'm going to do the background color, which I believe is this color. Yeah, that's the color. All right. So we've got the right color. And now we have to change, we have to stylize all of the icon list. And you have your style right here. So I'm going to go ahead and you can change the size of the icon. Okay. and the color, which we're going to make white, which is always hashtag FFF. You're going to go to the text. Text color, again, is going to be white. The typography, you get to choose that. I'm going to go ahead and use I think it's I'll just use assistant right now. And then you can put the size. Okay. Then from here, the list, space between the list. So you can bring that out. And then this is a little bit more of the advanced, but you'll learn this within the course, is you're adding padding to the top. I don't know if you ever tried to do a website by yourself, but you're like, oh, how do I adjust all of these things? So you're adding the padding at the top and the bottom. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and add a shape divider, which is the fanning right here. So the shape divider for the top, you have all these different choices. And I believe it is fan with the opacity. So this can, again, from here, you're going to add more padding to the, yeah. It looks like everything needs to go bigger, the text. So as you can see, it is, and then what I might do is make it more bold here. Make it more bold there. Go. And if I check here what this style is, I can always so I can always take this, the Cantano, that's one I like. Text. Oh. And then I'm going to bring that down to medium. Okay. And with that, we have created our list, our bullet list. Now, as you can see, these icons are not even with the text, which happens a lot. And within the Website by Design online course, you're going to learn about that, and this is how you do it. So this is your custom CSS. This is one of the couple of times where you use your custom CSS is within the icon list, so that the icons match up with the text. So this I could put, maybe if I put 10, what would happen? Yeah. Yeah. And there you go. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go ahead and share with you this awesome offer. If you're still here and you're interested, then we are going to talk about what it looks like to purchase the Website by Design online course. All right, so done with the demonstration, and we're here to talk about the Website by Design online course. So the module 1, what you're going to learn, it's all about getting the tools for you to start building your website. So it's really about how to upload the themes and Elementor, how to activate your plugins, how to customize pages for your site, and learn how to add pages to the menu and so much more. This is really to set you up for success. So you are educated about what's going on in the back end of your site. And once you learn this, and this is from the WordPress perspective. Once you learn how to activate plugins and how to update your site, it just becomes second nature. It's super easy. Module 2 is about the Elementor side. It is how to add templates to your site, how to add blocks to your site, like you saw me adding all these blocks. It's learning how to make your site responsive. That means that what you saw on the screen is for computers. Sorry, it's for computers, but you need to change your sometimes you need to change everything, some things in your website for tablets and for phones. So the second module is really to focus on the Elementor side, that you learn how to use it. Like you saw me with the text, how to change that and how to add blocks and how to move things around to make them bigger and smaller. You're going to learn that in module 2. And also how to add an opt-in form. The opt-in, if you get the Elementor Pro, it comes with the opt-in. Otherwise, you can use a plugin for your opt-in or from your CRM. Like I use my MailerLite form on my website oftentimes. Module 3 is really about the art of building a website. You're going to learn how to change the font colors, the backgrounds, how to customize fonts, how to add images, add video and buttons like you just saw. It is, you also get templates that when you sign on to the course, like the one you just saw from the membership site, you actually get that template. So you can just use that template and just change the colors to your brand, to your own brand. And of course, there's bonuses. The bonuses are awesome for this course. The bonuses is you get a call with me, a one-on-one call with me to set up your hosting if you need it, SSL certificate, connect to your WordPress to your sites, and Elementor. So it's really about setting you up for success. So you don't have to worry about the technical aspects of doing all of that. I will go ahead and support you in that, and that's valued at $200. Also, I will help you connect your website to your favorite CRM. Now, this is an essential part of building an email list, because once your CRM, which is like MailerLite or MailChimp or ConvertKit, whatever it is, once it's like connected to your site, you can then create downloadables that people can download and get onto your list. And once they're on your list, then of course you can nurture them and create your community that you want to create. So I will help you connect your website to your favorite CRM. That's valued about $180. And also you get a private Facebook community. Now, during this course and after this course, you will have continued access to it. And this is really exciting because if you have a question, you can put it in the Facebook group, and I can easily add a video on your question, like how to do something. So you can get advice, you can get creative advice, and think about it. If you have coaches and healers in your Facebook community who are in your same business, how important their input is on your website, on your sales pages, all of that, you can go ahead and get their opinion and technical support from me. And bonus 4 is that you get 3 templates to use for events, courses, and sales pages. So like you saw the membership one, sales page that you can that you'll get. There's also an event one, and there's 3 of them. So you're going to get these templates for your own site, because once we're in Elementor, then I can you can upload my templates from my Elementor, which is great. And templates in Elementor are beautiful. So every page that you make, you can create a template for, and and put that and use it again and again. So that's valued at 175. So what do we have here? We have the Website by Design online course, which is valued at like usually $498 is the value for that. And then you have the bonus one where you get the hosting and domain setup. All of that I will help you with to take the confusion out of that. 200. You have your connect to your CRM, which is 180. You have your private Facebook group, which of course is priceless. I mean, think about it. You can just put a question in there and get a video the next day. And also that video will support other coaches and speakers within that and healers within that group. You also get 3 templates for events, courses, and memberships. You see there's a typo there. That's 175. So basically everything comes to a total value of $1,056. And so for this course, for limited only, I'm have this great offer. And the offer is just for $249. What? I said it. This is a limited time offer. It's $249 for this course. And all of the bonuses that you'll get also the bonuses on top of that, which is an awesome deal. And this is the link. It's a savings of $807. So the link here is here. I also have it for you with emails or on this webinar. And this is where you can go to purchase the Website by Design online course. Once you purchase it, then you have full access to the modules. So you'll go straight into your course. And right then and then, again, you will get an email to book a call with me to set up your domain. And if you already have that set up, then I will go in there and make sure it's updated and correct. And also to, hear about your vision, about what you want for your business, and any way that I can support you in that, I will definitely do. Again, this is an awesome deal. This is a limited time offer for just $249. You get the whole course. And I look forward to meeting you, and I look forward for you to really create a website that you love and that will draw in your ideal client. And with that, have a beautiful day.